Yo, I just put my headphones on and they were cold as Let me play this. Yo, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Casey, and today we got something special because this is the month of Halloween. So for today, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be making a lo-fi Halloween themed beat. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the drums because I know that making the melody is going to take a long time. So let me go to boom bap, then let me go to intro. Sounds like a lo-fi kick right there. Let me delete that real quick. Okay, then let me add a snare. This one sounds good. Okay, I should get my tempo as well. Let me start with 80. Start with 80. I need some hats as well. Okay, got some ideas rolling in right now. But started to get a proper hat. Oh wait, that sounds off, and I don't like that. Okay, let me go to a proper lo-fi kit. There we go. Let me try one out actually. Let me get another one. So I want to make one that's offset. So this is gonna be soft. And make this softer. Sounds good so far. This is what I envision. Now let me get. Oh, I like that. Let me add that. Alright, let me get the kick down. Let me start making the kick. Maybe I should change the hi-hats because they sound a bit too bright. Okay, drums are almost done. Okay, so that's the drums. Now I need to make the melody. So what should I use? Let me go citrus. Citrus has helped me a lot, you know. This will go weird. Ooh, that could be a sound effect, you know. I'm going to keep that. I mean, make a weird sound effect. Alright, let's go for citrus again. Let me go to the keys. Alright, so this is the best sound. They sound very evil with this. Start a C sharp. Actually, know what would be perfect for this. Okay, do it now. Once I can drag this out. I hate this mouse that I have. I actually hate this mouse. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Minor harmonic. Then I'm gonna put it on C sharp. Alrighty. But this needs to be really soft and it needs to be in both ears as well. Oh, that's loud. Very loud. Okay, it sounded good so far. Not gonna lie. Okay, so I'm thinking it's gonna go back to this. Into that. Then I want something to rise all the way back up. So if I do this. Okay. Make this a bit slow actually. Okay, that's not sounding bad. Maybe let me add a music box. Cause now music boxes are known to sound creepy. Or maybe I should go with contact. There is something creepy there. But yeah, let's just wait for that to open. Yeah, there we go. So I need to treats is what I was talking about. Okay, let's go xylophones. Ow. But yeah, that's probably what I was talking about. Alright, now I just need to turn that down. And I need to put this on the mixer quickly. Because there's some frequencies in there that I do not like. You see that right there? That's evil, so you eliminate that. And I kind of want to put the low pass frequency on it. Low pass filter. I'll equal the rest of it later. It's not sounding bad. I didn't think this would be going so well. Jeez. But I kinda wanna make this thing wobbly. I want to make this thing wobbly.
A few inches later.
Okay. I wanted to try this one out though. But I still want the stereo, so let me put this on the mixer and then do this. Oh, maybe I should use Avox Duo. Oh, it's starting to clip now. But it's because I got contact, so I don't need this anymore. I'm gonna need some evil laughs as well, so let me go back to cymatics and then let me go to the Halloween pack. There we go, every Halloween vocals. Yeah. Actually, yo, which laughing? I might use that one. Let me EQ this a bit more. Kinda don't like this bit over here. Starting to think that this might not be lo-fi anymore. So if this was the intro, how would it sound like? Okay, I've got it. So I'm gonna put that there and make this intro. Okay. And then take this away and then Control L. Oh no. Mistake. I'm gonna need some vinyl crackles as well, but that's when I get to making the intro. I think I'll save this lower. Okay, let me add an EQ on that. Let me remove those highs, if there are any. Alright, let me actually make this on the eraser panel and then I'm going to add the vinyl crackles as well because I just want to hear what that sounds like. So let me go to the cymatics. Toko desu ka? Alright, it's fine. Oh man, now I got another melody going in my head. Now I can't mute that. Oh, maybe this should be actually fire. It should be fire. But here we go. Let me get that bitch off. I'm doing some professional post-production. I'm just gonna put this in the random spot. Now I need reverb, heavy reverb. Oh, I need delay as well. I'm going to automate the panning of this. I'm gonna have it go from left to right. Just go here, automate panning. Go from left to right. Yeah, if I can get footsteps, that would be mad. Alright, BRB. Okay, so I got my footstep now. This is it right here. I'm gonna use that to simulate the witch running from left to right hand side, and the witch is chasing this person. Yep, so that's what I'm doing.
A few inches later.
It's a very fast witch that is. Alright, I'm hearing another sound coming here. Okay. Put that on there. Let me actually split these. Let me split these. Split by channel. Alrighty. Okay. Okay. So as we are bring the bass in over there, so make space for that. Still looking for the riser. Oh wait. I kept something here. Oh, could use that. Now let me consolidate this thing real quick. Yeah, and then got this now, right? So what is it I wanted to do? Reverse. That's what I wanted to do. There we go. That's my riser right there. Alright, maybe what happened if I normalize it? Alright, let me leave it normalized. Okay, let me put this on the mixer. Okay, now reverb. Let's do this one. Sweet. Maybe let me add some delay on it as well. The low. Okay, wait. Too much feedback. Should I EQ this as well? That's a very sweet. I really like that. No, I'm gonna leave it like that. I need the bass with the bass right here. Okay, but that's not the bass that I don't like that bass. Should I add another kick? That's another question that I should be asking. Let me add another kick. So let me go back here and then let me do this. Shift it. So yeah, drum fill over here. Actually, let's not do that. That sounds so much better. Okay, so that's gonna be all that I'm gonna do on video, right? So the rest of the stuff, like make the beat longer, I'm gonna mix and master, add some more effects. I'm gonna do that after recording. So this is where the video is gonna end. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on so that you will be the first one to be notified of my next upload. With all that said, thank you for watching. Goodbye.